how to adjust color in NanoBanana.AI. I'm going to guide you through the process on how to do it. Let's get started. First of all, on your laptop, open your preferred web browser. In the source bar, type NanoBanana.AI and head over to its official website. Once you are on the site, make sure you are logged in with your account. Now scroll down to the editor section. Here you will see two options, image to image and text to image. For this demo, let's select image to image and upload the photo you want to edit by tapping add image. Now, in order to adjust the color, tap on main prompt field. You can tap natural instruction like make the color more vibrant, adjust to warmer tones, or apply a cool color tone. After you have written your prompt, simply tap Generate Now button. NanoBanana AI will process the request and show the updated image in output section. If you want, you can refine your result by giving more specific instructions like increase saturation slightly, reduce red tone, and that's it. That's how you can easily adjust color in NanoBanana AI. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips. Thank you for watching.